Hello, I wish you an excellent good day. My name is David, physical therapist with Restore Perform Physical Therapy. I wanted to make this video to positively change the experience of clients doing pre-surgery because I feel that the recovery starts before surgery. Hi, I'm the therapist. My name is David. So, through my 15 years of experience consulting, interacting with clients, I developed this thought and this observation based on clients that are of similar procedure, same surgeon, even same hospital, and one had an easier time to recover than the other. And the biggest variable I found was that their level of functional outcomes depended on the intentionality and how well they prepared. So how can we standardize? How can we make this better? There's this leap of faith. And by the name of it, the analogy is surgery. It's a risk-benefit contract procedure. We want to be positive about it and identify that there is complementary controllable variables such as hydration, nutrition, sleep, breath work, preparing your house. These are going to be your levers to pull, to handle, and to manage before surgery. And that's where I want to be positive for the experience. Instead, there is also the experience of more in the red, the experience of not being prepared, not being aware, and that's what you're getting with this program with myself. So you can not be perfect, but we want to stack the odds in your favor. And when odds, you know what that is about risk and reward. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at what happens when people don't prepare. Not what I say, what does evidence say? 2 to 3 times more likely to experience post-surgical complications, 2.4 days longer at the hospital or at the skilled nursing facility. What does the Mayo Clinic say? It says that you're 2.5 times more likely to be readmitted to the hospital in the next 30 days after arriving at your house, or your 36% lower functional capacity up to 3 months after the surgery. The consequences continue even after leaving the hospital. 60% more likely to get infection and 2 to 4 weeks longer to return to normal. This is basically evidence of groups that did prepare versus groups that did not prepare. So let's talk about the value of knowing, because 1 ounce of prevention is worth a pound of gold. What are the top mistakes that I have seen? Mistake number 1, going into surgery weak. A weak person will have the experience of harder recovery, more pain, more setbacks, longer time to heal, slower walk-in, which equals in less functional outcomes, increased dependence, even reliability on paid employees. Mistake number 2, not knowing the right nutrition, the protein, hydration, and inflammation diets or anti-inflammatory diets. We know what's best, and we even know that the pyramid just changed 2 months ago. What's happening with nutrition? We can clarify the nonsense. Mistake number 3, not preparing the house, not knowing if the commode or if the shower chair or how high the bed should be or your favorite chair. Don't worry, we're here for you, and we can anticipate before you have to stress about it the day after your surgery. Really, you're worth a lot more than that. Mistake number 4, unrealistic expectations. Each diagnosis procedure has a certain timeline. People that understand their timeline are less likely to stress out. They keep themselves more motivated, and they gradually tailor-make their own lifestyle according to this understood timeline. So let's talk about the stories, because they're out there. I had the pleasure to join in this gentleman in his journey. He contacted me before, we did the preparation, and then locally I was able to work with him for about 2 months. After his great surgery, he was able then to fly back to Canada to see his granddaughter graduate from VPK. With this nice lady who did the online supportive consultation, and she got her results and is happy to get back the life back that she loved being a chef, she took the surgery so she can have those activities back, which is emotionally rewarding with the family. The stories are out there. And these people decided to invest in prevention so they can get predictive about the results. So what does the journey look like? Because again, we don't want to be perfect. We just want to stack the odds in your favor. How can we do that? So there is step number one. Look at the description comments. There will be a link for a free 30-minute consultation with myself. And step number two, if I were to have you increase your awareness and the value for this offer and increase your trust in me, I'd love to get you to purchase this and to assume the Zoom meeting with me and the program. In this Zoom meeting, we'll explore options of how you can better get your results. We'll talk about all of the previous value that I spoke about: hydration, nutrition, proper recipes, and what the program will support in the message. That 60-minute phone call is really made to answer all of the questions, get you set up, and make you feel heard. Step number four, the Thinkific platform is the course within itself and will clarify a lot of questions, guide you through the journey so that steps 5 and 6, you can, if you like, join the Facebook private group or not and be as private as public as you like about it and share with your family or the whole world your experience. So again, one surgery, one recovery, one chance. I want to bring value, innovation in the rehabilitation world. I believe in preparation. Preparing beats out the competition. Your future recovery starts today. Let's get you back to walking on the beach, to going grocery shopping, to enjoying your life back. Get the surgery, get predictive, and allow me to build your personalized plan. It was really nice talking to you. I hope you have an excellent day. My name is David, your physical therapist, and I hope you take care.